So after 1,007 days, countless hours of cutting, grinding, removing, scraping, grinding, scraping, and grinding, we are at a point where I believe we have removed as much of the car as we need to remove to start mocking things up. That's super exciting. It is a couple days after Christmas, 2024, and we have as much cutaway as we can. The entire car is suspended by this back grab point that we used when we were holding the back of the car up. The entire car is held up by that cross member. So we are going to clear out underneath, clear out the garage, and see if we can't maneuver the full floor assembly under the car. Let's get started. Okay. One of the great things about this particular body cart is I can do this. I can take it apart without fully taking it apart and move it around obstacles like the engine hoist, which I think is pretty darn cool. I'll just put it over here for now, even though it's going to rain. I'll just put it over here for a minute. And they'll just kind of hang out here for a while. Oh, my back. Feeling that. This is a pretty exciting, momentous event. Okay, so we've moved the body cart out of the way. We need to bring the front end of the car up a little bit, which we can do pretty easily with tie-down straps, which I have here. This is pretty simple. Just take the tie-down strap, like so, and let's see. Let's do put this, oh, hey, stretchy stretch. Put this guy over here, and so. And then put this guy over here, like so. Progress. Put this in here. Like so. Okay, so that's good on that part. Let's do one more on the other side to give it stability in its life. And the ratchety part is where? The ratchety part is not in there. That's not a ratchety part either. Come on, Mr. Ratchety part, where are you? I know I had you because I was using you over there. Okay, not in there. Next door down? Nope, not in there. Okay, this is the worst part of not having an assistant to keep your crap straight. I know I just undid both of them. Come on now. Let's think. Let us think. Losing my mind today. Really? I know that I just loosened both of these. How did I not end up putting them back in the same drawer? Where are they? You saw it. You saw they were where they were when I was doing this. Where are they? Tell me. Write it in the comments below. You saw it. Oh, hanging on the body cart. Really? Okay. Well, you think that's funny, huh? That's not funny at all. I find that extremely unfunny. Hanging on the body cart. All right, and then we have this guy. And then this guy. Someone like that. Hey, let go. And away we go. Let's see if that's high enough. Probably not. That's okay. We got plenty of room to get you up there. Okay. That's about as high as we can go. Put that over there. Put this over here. All right. Let's see what we can get done next. This ought to be fun. All this crap is in the way. So let's put you. Oh yeah, that felt great. There. Let's put you over here. That one got me good. Okay. This can go over here. That's a good spot for that. Perfectly organized, not really. This can go over there. And that can go over there. This can just kind of sit here for now. These blankets will help protect the pieces I'm about to move. into this area from that area, so I can move this piece from this area to that area. So yeah, so we got this guy, and we got this guy. Oi. Hey, don't try to kill me. There you go. We got this mess. Put this mess over here, like that. That over there, like that. That's a perfect spot for that. This we have to make sure is accessible for all the stuff we're going to do next. This can kind of just go back in here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This cowl can go up on top of the compressor. For now, it's not going to hurt anything there. Oh, perfect. Just where I wanted that to go. This is a non-used box. That's a piece of cardboard with paint on it. And we are clear. Well, ish. So now we have this. See if we can put some boards under here to keep this from flopping too terribly much. As best we can. We have another board here somewhere. Good. Good. Let's take this out from there. We'll put that right there because this needs to be ready to go. Okay, so we've got that free and clear. These are my two stands that we're going to use once we move it. And let's see. Okay, that needs to be out of the way. This needs to be out of the way. Off. Off. Oh, well, that's a problem. These guys are all smashed down there. That's not going to work. Shoes are in the way. Just trying to make room for things right now to get them out of the path, the flight path. Because we have a lot of things in limited space. And just pretty much crap everywhere. Just a matter of getting this moved and rotated. Okay, let's see what's currently in the way is 2 big buckets. 1 bucket. 2 buckets. Let's see if we can get this underneath here. Oh, hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you. I knew that was going to happen. Let me save you from yourself. There we go. It's pretty exciting. This is exciting. Very exciting stuff going on here. This is just, I don't know what that is exactly. Put you over here because you're in the way. Now we can move you over here. It's exciting. Really? Gonna go sideways on me? Okay. Pardon me, excuse me. And you get my important tool. Thank you. So far, so good. So after 1,007 days, hours and hundreds of hours of cutting and disassembling and cutting and plasma torch and angle grinder and cutting wheels of death and thinking about the best way to achieve this part of the project, we have the vast majority, 99% of the structural portions which are going to be replaced by the floor assembly removed from the car, which is super exciting going into the next year. We got to finish trimming out the back to get it to sit properly down in the back. Everything's lining up the way it's supposed to. The offsets due to the crash are as expected, but everything will pull itself back into square once we remove this side of the car and start mocking up the front end. I'm really glad that I left that cross member in place. It's helping to make sure that absolutely everything is located the way it's supposed to be, and everything is actually sliding right into the spots that it's supposed to be at. which is going to simplify reconstruction so much. For all of you who have provided comments, likes, subscription, clicking on the bell, clicking on subscribe, clicking on like, leaving comments, both constructive and critical of what we're doing. I appreciate all of the input. If nothing else, this will at least allow you to feel like it's possible to do something like this. You just have to have patience and time and money and energy. That's really the key. So from parts unknown, we're closing out 2024, going into 2025, and it's on to the next adventure.